have a FLIR Thermovision camera lying idle because of a dead battery? Don't worry, here is a simple and effective solution to bring it back to life. In this video, see how to easily revive a FLIR Thermovision camera using available components. The FLIR camera was as good as scrap due to its dead battery pack. Unfortunately, a replacement was unavailable in the local market. Instead of letting it collect dust, a solution was implemented using some components.
Here are the components used to revive the camera. A TP4056 charging module, 3.7 volt lithium-ion batteries, a mini USB Type-B connector, which was already an accessory for the camera, a male-female jack for easy connections, and the 5V USB charger that originally came with the camera. First, 3.7 volt Li-ion batteries were connected in series to achieve a nominal voltage of 11.1 volts and a maximum of 12.6 volts when fully charged. This matched the voltage requirements of the camera. A TP4056 module was used to charge each battery individually. This ensures safe and balanced charging without the risk of overcharging or overheating. Next, the battery pack was connected to the camera using the mini USB Type-B connector, which was already compatible with the camera. A male-female jack was also added to make the setup modular and easy to maintain. Finally, the battery pack was connected to the camera's charging port and the power was turned on. The camera is now fully functional and ready to use. As shown, the camera is working perfectly. This simple DIY setup has brought it back to life.
Anyone facing a similar issue with a FLIR camera can try this solution. It's cost-effective, easy to assemble, and uses readily available components. Don't let a valuable camera go to waste. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.